We're in an exciting time. Generative AI is revolutionizing the world. ChatGPT has revolutionized content creation. Stability AI, DALL-E, and Midjourney are revolutionizing art generation. We get art generated for any given prompt. But can we edit those? Can we get these assets in our brand colors? Do they give composed designs? Well, no. Then how do people design creatives for their campaigns, social posts, website content, etc.? Designers use tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and marketers, business owners, and others try template tools. Template tools say they have unlimited templates. But finding a right template for our use case is like finding a needle in a haystack. Statistics say 96% of users start designing from scratch as they are not able to find the right template. And it takes anywhere between 2 to 4 hours to come up with one creative. Think of A/B testing. Creative velocity is not able to match content velocity. So, how do we solve this? I'm super excited to introduce Sivi, your AI designer that generates designs instantly. Let's take a quick look at how it works. With Sivi, you just need to add a new idea, choose your dimensions, add your content just like you type in a Word document, and hit generate. It doesn't use any templates. It follows your brand guidelines and composes like a human designer. And it gives multiple variations within 2 minutes. You can edit the generated designs. Thanks for taking the time to check out Sivi. Together, you and Sivi can create stunning designs in 1/100th of the time and cost. Happy designing!